Hello everyone, I'm Vanitha, working as an assistant professor in the Department of ECE at K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see shift registers in the course Digital Logic and Microprocessor. First of all, shift register. So shift register is a group of flip-flops used to store multiple bits of data. There are n-bit shift registers depending upon the number of flip-flops connected. If 4 flip-flops are connected together, then it is called as 4-bit shift register. Each flip-flop will store a 1 bit of data. If it performs shift operation in the left side through the number of flip-flops connected, then it is called as shift left registers. If the registers which will shift the bits in the right is called shift right registers. There are different types of shift registers. Basically, serial in serial out, serial in parallel out, parallel in serial out, and parallel in parallel out shift register. Apart from that, we will be having bidirection shift register, universal shift register. Similarly, shift register counter. In this session, we are going to see serial in serial out, serial in parallel out, parallel in serial out, and parallel in parallel out shift registers. So as the name indicates, serial in serial out shift register will shift the data serially, and the data is taken from all the flip-flops connected together in the shift register serially. Each flip-flops are connected through a common clock pulse so that it is synchronous shift register. So initially for the first clock pulse, the 0 will be shifted and which will be available at the output of the first flip-flop. For the second clock pulse, the second bit will be given as an input to the first flip-flop so that the first input 0 will be available at the second flip-flop. Similarly, for all the flip-flops, so after applying the fourth clock pulse, all the data will be available at the output of all flip-flops, that is 1 0 1 0. Serial and parallel out shift register. So whether the data will be given serially and the data will be taken out parallelly. And we are giving the common clock pulse as well as clear input. Serial and parallel, serial out shift register. So as the name indicates, we are giving the data input parallelly and we take the data output serially. Here we use, in order to give the input to all the flip-flops parallelly, we use multiplexers. This is the diagram of parallel and serial out shift register, where the given input is parallel and the data is taken out serially. This is called as multiplexer. So the output of each flip-flop and the parallel input are given as an input to the multiplexer. The output of the multiplexer will be connected to the subsequent flip-flops, that is the next flip-flop, and the data is taken out serially. So this is called as a 4-bit parallel serial out shift register. Parallel and parallel out shift register, where the data is given parallelly and the data is taken out also parallelly. There is no interconnection between all the flip-flops. So each flip-flop will function individually. That's all about parallel and parallel out shift register. So we have seen this session, we have seen serial in serial out, serial in parallel out, parallel in serial out, and parallel in parallel out shift registers. I hope all of you have understood the session. Thank you.